Hello everyone. In this lesson, let's add logging to our Express, specifically error logging. Currently, our Express doesn't respond to errors, and technically, an error might occur somewhere at some endpoint. In our project, this is somewhat rare because all our endpoints are secured through TRPC, and when errors go through TRPC, we have our own logger set up there. But nonetheless, just in case we have custom Express endpoints later on, we should do it anyway. And we need to log errors there. This is done with the following code. You need to add middleware for Express. So we tell the Express app at any endpoints, that is, use to add such middleware. It takes error, request, response, and next as input. The next function. As we are used to in middleware, we call it and can move on. If we see an error, we pass it to the logger with the Express tag. And if the previous middleware managed to send some response to the server, then we pass this error further using next and let it go somewhere. If nothing has managed to handle this error yet, we handle it ourselves. And in the response, we give the person a 500 status and text. Internal server error. But I'm telling you, you'll almost never see this endpoint. The only way we can somehow reproduce it is to do the following. Here, throw an error. And see what happens. So here's our backend. It's on port 3000. 3000 ping? Yes. And here we see an internal server error. And here we see our Express error. But I'm saying this won't happen unless you have a custom Express endpoint. But you will most likely have them. For example, if you're connecting some payment systems, payment services will send you webhooks, and you'll need a custom Express endpoint. And it makes a lot of sense that you handle some errors from it. Although you're probably handling them in those endpoints. In general, it's a safety check, a precaution for a rainy day, but let it be there. That's it. Thank you, everyone. Let's move on.